As I say in all of my courses, it is only when you start doing the thing that you're trying to learn that you start to understand the intricacies of the thing you're learning. It is very unlikely that you will pick up the Python language quickly if you simply listen to me or watch me code. So I encourage you to take time to observe the video tutorials whilst at the same time coding along with me. After each lesson, try to note down the key takeaways and practice the concept in your own development environment. Don't worry if you don't know what a development environment is just yet, we cover this in the next section of the course. Also, try to complete the assignments and quizzes that you come across. This will confirm whether you have understood the principles and can effectively apply them. Now, you can't learn the Python language in a day, and at times during the course, you may be asking yourself, why do I need to learn this specific concept? Why is this relevant? Well, just know that learning about data types, data structures, functions, and so on are key building blocks which, when combined, can create some fantastic software solutions. So although in their own right they may not do much or seem very exciting, having a solid understanding of the concepts covered in this course will mean that you will be ready to deploy the Python language to meet a variety of use cases. So I do encourage you to stick with it. This course is carefully designed to bring you up to speed as quickly as possible. So seeing as we'll be covering a lot of content during this course, I've broken the topics down into small bite-sized videos to make it easier to digest and understand. But if at any point you feel I'm going too fast, you can go back and listen as many times as you want, as you will have lifetime access to this course. You can even slow me down a little using the playback speed option if you wish. On the other hand, speed me up if you wish to complete this course in double time. My goal is that by the end of the course, you will walk away feeling confident in using the Python language across a variety of use cases. So much so that I hope you would feel confident in adding it to your CV and discussing your Python skill set in interview scenarios. But it does require dedication from your side to stick with it, even when it feels you are not understanding as quickly as you'd hope to. Just know that when things appear difficult, you have access to a support team that will be on standby, ready to help get your understanding back on track. Before we get onto the exciting stuff though, I just had a few admin points I wanted to cover. Firstly, if you get stuck or have any questions regarding a particular topic or section, you can send these either into the Q&A section, where other students will be able to see your question and can respond, or you can send me a direct message and I will message you back as soon as I can. If there is a part of the course you think would be useful to revisit in the future, you can bookmark by adding a note, which can then be accessed from your notes section. This just makes it easier to find areas of interest when you return. And finally, you will be asked during the course to leave a review. Now, you're not obliged to leave one, but if you are enjoying the course and are finding it useful, I would really appreciate it if you could spare 30 seconds in leaving a review. It really does help other students find the course if they have similar interests to you. I've had a lot of fun putting this course together, so I really hope you have a lot of fun throughout too when learning Python.